In this quick tutorial, guys, I'm going to explain to you why is it important to do keyword research for affiliate marketing. Now, let me show you that the title of this video, which is this one, why is it important keyword research for affiliate marketing? I use this software Tubebuddy to know if I'm going to get traction and views using this title. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the Tubebuddy software, and here I'm going to have a score for this title. So Tubebuddy is telling me that this title, it has 80 of score, which is very good for my channel. So that means that if I record a video and I share information about this topic, Tubebuddy is telling me that YouTube is going to help me, or I'm going to have a high probability to rank in the first spots on YouTube. Now, if this scores drops down to like in the red zone or the orange, so that means that YouTube is not going to suggest my video in the top 10 results because there is too much competition and my channel is not optimized for these keywords. Now, this is really important, guys, if you want to start a YouTube channel, because this research is going to help you to grow your YouTube channel faster. Now, let me tell you that you need to know your industry as well. For example, this page, muncheye.com, here you're going to find all of these products that are going to be launched in the future. Check this one, Robbie Blanchard Project Platinum. So this is going to be a huge launch, $24.97 at 50%. And they're going to use the ClickBank affiliate network to promote this product. Now we're going to do right now a search, Project Platinum review. We're going to find out if someone is creating content about this launch. Okay, this is really interesting because this person streamed 1 day ago. Project Platinum review is Robbie Blanchard's Project Platinum at 2023 masterpiece. So all of these people that are recording and sharing this information, it's because they are affiliate marketers and they want to promote this launch. For example, this one, Project Platinum review, why Robbie Blanchard's course works in 2023. It has 7 views 11 days ago. Project Platinum review, Robbie Blanchard course. It has 14 views and it was uploaded 10 days ago. So this channel, guys, are using this strategy. So this strategy is launch jacking, and you can use this strategy to have sales promoting these high ticket products, right? But you can get also subscribers to your YouTube channel if you do this correctly. For example, let me show you my analytics. So I share this video, the 1 2 3 profit review. This was a product that was here in the muncheye.com website, and basically I recorded a video, and I think that I was one of the first that created content about this product. And as you can see in the screen, I created this video September 11, and here comes the interesting part. So the launch was in the first days of January of this year, 2023. And as you can see in the chart, I have a spike in the graph. So many people start searching for this keyword. They want to take profit review, and this video gave me 11 subscribers and 569 views. So it has 400 more views than usual, which is great, and it gave me watch time. So you can use this strategy to grow your YouTube channel. This video has 34% average percentage view, so which is really great for my channel. And you can create these kind of videos if you want to get more views. Now, if I click here on details, you're going to see that I'm using these keywords to bring traffic to my own affiliate links. So here I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator, and I have leads from this video. So if you want to use this software, Tubebuddy, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video, guys, so you can download it. You can download it for free and start experimenting and doing your own keyword research. Now, I have the paid version because the paid version allowed me to see this weighted score, because I want to know if this title is good for my channel. Because if you only download the Tubebuddy software, the free version, you are going to have access only to the unweighted tag, and this is like the average of all YouTube channels on YouTube. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope that you get value. And if you like this information, subscribe to my channel, because I upload videos almost every day, and I'm here to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.